In Asia, meanwhile, conflict in northeastern Myanmar have forced around 100,000 people from their homes in the last 2 years, and of these, only 40,000 have received help from the United Nations. Channel News Asia's May Wong visited a refugee camp in Kachin State to see how people are coping there.
These little ones entertain themselves without a care in the world. On the other hand, the adults seem resigned to their fate, not knowing when they might be able to return to their original homes. These people fled their villages due to clashes between government forces and the Kachin Independence Army in 2011. Many have since been living in such camps.
So the people here they have no hope. They never think about the future life. They're just living the day by day.
This camp is one of the few that's receiving aid from the UN and non-government organizations. But conditions are still far from ideal.
The Kachin people's lives are very difficult now. They have to face a lot of difficulties, especially the IDP persons. They cannot travel freely and, they cannot do freely for their livelihood. There are so many camps and so many people. The government cannot afford. This is the problem of the government,
As of July this year, the United Nations says about $13 million have been dispersed to help provide aid such as food, education and shelter. But an additional $38 million is still needed. The people right now have been given skills in terms of going through programs run by the camp to teach them work skills such as how to weave, how to make food, as well as how to make keychains in order to be able to apply those skills later on when they do eventually head back to the village to make a life for themselves. May Wong, Channel News Asia, Myitkyina, Kachin State, Myanmar.